Chapter 11, Presenting and Public Speaking in Chinese. In this chapter, we'll look at useful techniques for public speaking and presentations in a Chinese business setting. Although giving a speech in front of an audience might be intimidating, successful communication is crucial for career advancement in any industry. Preparing for a presentation. A successful presentation depends on preparation. Preparation includes doing a background study on the subject, creating an organized outline, and practicing how to deliver the presentation. When planning the presentation, it's crucial to take the audience's cultural background into account. Structuring a presentation. Effective communication depends on a well-structured presentation. This contains a captivating introduction, a thorough discussion of the subject, and a well-structured, readable body. A solid conclusion that encapsulates the presentation's main ideas is also crucial. Delivering a presentation. Both the presentation's substance and delivery are crucial. This entails speaking clearly and succinctly, making eye contact with the audience, and paying attention to nonverbal cues. Effective use of visual aids and audience engagement through questions and discussion are also crucial. Dealing with nervousness. Although speaking in front of an audience can be frightening, there are ways to manage anxiety. Deep breathing exercises, envisioning a persuasive speech, and concentrating on the message rather than speaking anxiety are all part of this. Handling questions and feedback. A presentation's success depends on how well it responds to comments and inquiries. This entails paying attention to what is being asked, answering succinctly, and showing respect for opposing viewpoints. Also, it's critical to positively use criticism in future presentations. Conclusion. In this chapter, we looked at useful techniques for public speaking and presentations in a Chinese business setting. Presenters can effectively convey their message to a Chinese audience by efficiently preparing, planning the presentation, giving the presentation with confidence, handling their nerves, and addressing questions and criticism. We'll look at useful techniques in the next chapter for connecting with people and establishing commercial ties in China.